The volt-ampere characteristics of a diode. The behavior of a PN junction diode is indicated by its volt-ampere characteristics or VI characteristic. The VI characteristic of a PN junction diode is a graph of voltage across the diode versus the current flowing through it. The VI characteristics can be divided into two parts. Number 1, forward characteristic. Number 2, reverse characteristic. The forward characteristic is the graph of anode to cathode forward voltage VF versus the forward current through the diode IF. The forward characteristic is divided into two portions AB and BC. In the region A to B of the forward characteristic, the forward voltage is small and less than the cut-in voltage. Therefore, the forward current flowing through the diode is small. With further increase in the forward voltage, it reaches the level of the cut-in voltage and the width of depletion region goes on decreasing from region B to C. As soon as forward voltage equals the cut-in voltage, current through the diode increases suddenly. The nature of this current is exponential. The large forward current in the region B to C of the forward characteristic is limited by limiting a resistor R in series with the diode. Forward current is of the order of few milliampere. The forward current is a conventional current that flows from anode to cathode. Therefore, it is considered to be a positive current. And the forward characteristics appears in the first quadrant. Cut in voltage. The voltage at which the forward diode current starts increasing rapidly is known as cut-in voltage of a diode. The cut-in voltage is very close to the barrier potential. Cut-in voltage is denoted by VCIN. Generally, a diode is forward biased above the cut-in voltage. The cut-in voltage for a silicon diode is 0.6 and that of germanium diode it is 0.2 volt. Reverse characteristic of a diode. Reverse characteristic is a graph of reverse voltage VR versus the reverse current IR. Current flowing through a diode in reverse bias state is of very small magnitude in order of few microohms is the reverse saturation current which flow due to the minority charge carrier. Therefore, it is treated as negative current. Hence, the reverse current appears in the third quadrant. As the reverse voltage is increased, if the temperature is constant, the reverse saturation current remains constant equal to I naught. This is because the reverse saturation current doesn't depend on reverse voltage, but it depends only on the temperature. But as the reverse voltage increases the breakdown voltage value, a large current flows through the diode. Operation in the breakdown region should be avoided because the diode may be damaged due to excessive power dissipation.